I don't own a drill press, so I often had the problem on how to get perfectly perpendicular holes in a piece of wood. What I used to do is just to mark the spot where I want to make the hole, take a battery powered drill, and just drill a hole in it. The problem was that most often this was far away from perfect, so I always had an angle with this hole. So what I did is I bought a tool for creating perpendicular drill holes like that. The problem is that most often you can't really apply this because it just doesn't sit even on the surface if you only have a narrow type of wood. And also, even if it perfectly sits on the surface, those holes just never were perpendicular. I don't really know. I guess there is too much wiggle between the drill and this tool. In any case, like the way I used to do that was like this. Go to the hole, press it down. But this is not quite perpendicular. So I created another tool for my router, which I want to talk to you about. This is the tool. It has an insert which I made with a 3D printer, and the outside is just regular plywood. The cool thing of using the 3D printer for creating templates for your router is that they get very exact. So I designed the path so that I had a hole inside that has exactly 17 mils. And this is where this bottom plate of my router just perfectly sits in without any tolerance. So this is really a very tight fit. In addition, I designed those slots here. I think you can see it like this. So I can actually align it to the wood better. So normally what I do now, if I want to have a very, very exact hole in wood like this, is I draw a cross with a pencil where I want my hole to sit. Like this. And then I can very exactly place this plate so that it aligns well. And then I just clamp it to the table with two clamps. Now I can still optimize the alignment. So that it's really perfect. Let's take a look. See, it's perfectly aligned. And then I take my router. I have a drill bit from Festool inside that enables me to drill 8mm holes. Okay. Now I can place my router inside the template. And that's it. And I can guarantee you that this hole is perfectly perpendicular. Thanks for watching.